Mosquito Fence. When you spend a large amount of time in your yard gardening or relaxing and enjoying the fruits of your labor, you probably don't want to be run off by biting mosquitoes. Mosquito fences offer a solution to mosquitoes crossing property lines and biting or coming in contact with people. From control spray units, to basic netting and smart light and laser technology, many mosquito fence options are available to help keep you bite-free. Timed spray system. Running on a timer that disperses a mosquito-repelling chemical, mosquito spray systems are set up around the perimeter of a property to keep out pests, creating a kind of fence. The chemical is dispersed at various times throughout the day, mostly in the early morning and twilight hours, when biting mosquitoes are most active. A reservoir containing the chemical is set up and connected through a series of underground tubes to spray nozzles placed at intervals throughout the property line. The chemical sprayed creates a mosquito-free zone around the yard. Mosquito nets. Mosquito nets are used around people's beds to create mosquito-free zones in countries where malaria is a problem. In the United States, where diseases such as West Nile virus have resulted in a fear of mosquitoes, the same netting can be used to create mosquito-free zones around outdoor sitting areas and garden beds. Using metal or wooden stakes to prop the netting material, drape the netting around each area that you want to keep mosquito-free. Mosquito nets are both environmentally friendly and effective. Increase the mosquito netting's level of protection by spraying it with organic bug repellent. Infrared light fence. If you want to eliminate mosquitoes from your garden or yard but do not want to kill them because they serve as a food source for birds and bats, then consider using an infrared light fence to keep mosquitoes away. Infrared lights create a spatial separation, and, despite the fact that the lights do not pose physical threats, mosquitoes are afraid to cross over them. When placed at intervals along a property line, infrared lights create a fence that blocks mosquitoes and does not use chemicals. Photonic Fence. Using technology in the fight against malaria, a photonic fence creates a virtual force field along the property line to keep out mosquitoes. With the help of a camera, a graphics processing unit GPU and lasers, the photonic mosquito fence identifies and renders mosquitoes flightless if they attempt to cross the line. The GPU identifies the difference between mosquitoes and other insects, as well as the difference between male and female mosquitoes. Female mosquitoes are the targets because they bite humans and carry diseases. As technology continues to advance, photonic fencing may become available to home gardeners to keep mosquitoes out of yards.